East Indian state of Assam turned grim on Tuesday as intense rain continued in several areas. Floodwater has now inundated 309 villages in 14 districts, affecting at least 100,000 people. More than 3,000 inmates are presently taking shelter in 14 relief camps in Karimganj, which is the most affected district. The Weather Department has forecast continued rainfall with thunderstorm over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Sub-Himalayan, West Bengal, Sikkim in the next 5 days. And now to get us the latest, I'm joined by DD India's Shubina Roy from Dibrugarh. A very good morning to you, Shubina. What is the latest update on those who've been affected by the flood situation? Shubina.
Yeah, good morning. Talking about the Assam floods, heavy, intense rainfalls have been occurring in Assam, and the affected population has increased to over 1 lakh, and around 309 villages are affected. And the 14 districts in Assam have been affected by these intense rainfall. And talking about the districts, Karimganj is the worst district with more than 100 villages affected and more than 90,000 people alone affected in that particular district. Other districts which are affected are Bongaigaon, Tamulpur, Lokhimpur, Dhemaji, Nagaon, Darang, Dhemaji, Hojai, Chirang, Borpeta, Baksa, Nolbari, Gwalpara. And Kopili River in Nagaon is flowing above danger level. And the inmates, talking about people living in relief camps, around 1,000 people are living in relief camps and in 14 relief camps that were set up in Karimganj district yesterday. And talking about the overall northeast, the IMD has predicted widespread to moderate rainfall across the sub-Himalayan, West Bengal, Sikkim, Tripura, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya. And Assam, Meghalaya, Sikkim, West Bengal is going to experience isolated very heavy to heavy rainfall from 17th to 21st. Whereas Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur, Tripura is going to experience heavy, very heavy to rainfall from 17th to 19th. And extremely heavy rainfall is going to be experienced in Assam and West Bengal and on 17th and 19th, and on Meghalaya on 18th of June. So talking about urban flooding, Guwahati is being flooded, areas of Anil Nagar, Chanmari is being flooded by flood waters. So this is the situation in Assam right now.
All right, thank you so much, Shubina, for joining us and bringing the quick and latest update from the flood condition there. Moving on in